All right, so when you're connected to your Phantom Booster account, you might be on your dashboard page. You will need to browse the solutions to find the right one. So here you will click on solutions and then on LinkedIn. Then you might use the search bar to find the correct flow. So it's LinkedIn new connection. LinkedIn new connection welcome message. Here it is, and you will click on use now. Here you will need to select your LinkedIn account. It's already detected because I have the Phantom Booster extension on Google Chrome. So I will click on save. Then you will need to select the condition for sending messages. It can either be sending a message to all your new connections or only if the last message was from them or if the last message was from you. Well, here I will select send to all and then I will write my message. I will use the first name as a variable and then say something like welcome to my network. If you go down, you can see that you can attach files, but here it's not relevant, so I will just click on save. Then I can choose to only send messages after a specific date, but for the example, I will leave it like this. And then you can enter the number of messages you want to send per day. Remember not exceeding 100. Here I will just enter 20 and I will click on save. Then you can enable your flow to start. You may expect a few days to see some results. Alright, so I came back after a few days and you can see here that the Phantom collected 127 new connections and sent 109 messages. That's quite a lot and you can see that it saved me more than 2 hours. Actually, it helped me a lot to grow my network. Here, if you go a bit down, you can see the flow performance progress. So every day you can follow how many connections you have been collected and how many messages you sent. If I click here on the Connections tab, you will see all the status of your messages, the name of the people you have been contacted, and their job title, their LinkedIn profile. Here you can see, for example, that I messaged these people. But if you go on the last page here, there are still some profiles to be processed. So here it is. Thank you for listening, and I hope it was useful. Bye bye.